what you'll see is that you have a container of birdseed. Please don't spill it. And it's exactly, well, it's as close as I can get to 300.0, not 0.1, not 0.2, but 300.0 grams of birdseed. Now your goal is to get your birdseed from this sidewalk to the other sidewalk. And the way you have to do it is this. One member of your team is going to pour all the birdseed into the waiting hands of the first person. Go to the next person on your team and put it in their hands. You start with the container on the ground this side, you finish with the container on the ground on the other side.
There's so many.
Contact.
Just run it.
I didn't even finish all that. Somebody's got to check hands. You have to go on the bottom.
Yeah, that's just taking them out of
Well, they gotta come back. You gotta run it back there.
Take all that off. Come on.
Let's go. Oh, and that was poor. That was real poor.
But what would you expect based on length of food chain?
the more along the food chain, the more loss you have.
Okay, let's see what we got as our result.